Ants of the Philippines. Did you know the Philippines has some of the craziest ants in the world? This is Harpegnatos venator, a fast and powerful predator with huge eyes. Odontomachus philippinus, a trapjaw and native to the Philippines with extremely fast mandibles and aggressive hunting behavior. Solenopsis geminata is a tropical fire ant known for its painful sting, massive colonies, and highly aggressive territorial behavior, commonly found in warm regions, including the Philippines.